Well, I needed to give the dog a bath, so I mean, I guess this is one way of doing it. Do you want to go walkies in the rain? Right, so it is absolutely pissing it down outside, and I thought, you know what? Great time to take the dog for a walk and test out this waterproof phone that I've got. It's drenching it out. I haven't actually taken him for a walk today because of the weather, but I thought, you know what? He's got to go, so I'm going to sacrifice myself and take him for a while. So yeah, we're going to go walkies. Speak. Spin. Good boy. Right, sit. Wait. As you can see, the weather. Oh, look at that. I don't know if you can actually tell how bad that is. Are you excited about this? Come. Oh God, it's raining. Look at his little ears go. I know you're eager to go. Come on in. Oh Jesus. It's really raining it down. Come on. Oh God, this weather. Oh gosh, I'm soaked already. I'm soaked all the way through. He's taking me for a walk, it seems, today, instead of me actually guiding where he goes. Yeah, that's someone else's poo, Sabre, come on. See what you sacrifice when you get a dog? Taking him out in weather like this is not the best. We won't see any dogs on this walk because not everyone is as crazy as I am. Good boy, come on in. Come on, this way. Come on. Oh, I think I've got the harness on a little bit wrong. I think it's all twisted up. He doesn't seem like he minds. Yeah, it's all twisted up. My bad, Sabre. Pin your leg up again, like a man. Because he took a very long time to start doing that, and he doesn't do it every time still. Sometimes he still sort of squats like a ladder when he pees. But sometimes he will cock his leg. Sit. Good. Wait. Paw. Paw. I'm holding your poo bag, which is pretty gross, yeah. Sabre. Do you want to do a bit of running? Oh God, it's so rainy! It's so rainy, I'm trying to keep the phone still! Oh! Oh God! Shake it off. Oh, should we get home now? Huh? Yeah. I'm ready to go in and have a cup of tea or something. Change clothes as well, because I'm literally drenched right now. Right, we're nearly home. Thank God. Sabre, speak. Good boy. Oh, the towel did nothing. Oh no. Are you soaked? What you got? What you got? What you got? Leave. Good boy. Go on in. Come. 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 Ah. Ah. Slipper. Leave. Good boy. Go on then. Well, thanks for watching, guys. That was just a little quick video. I thought I'd record it because it might be a good video, it might be a really bad one. Oh, he's got it. He's got it. He's taken it off. Leave. Good boy. Right, I'm going to say bye. Speak. Sabre says bye as well. Yeah. So I'll see you in the next one, guys. Bye.